When our future seems vague, we're washed over with feelings of uncertainty and powerlessness. Your future has not taken shape yet, so you can change your perception and the direction of your life. Visualize your desired goals as brightly as possible and make an effort to realize your dreams. Open the imaginary book of good fortune and choose the opportunities that excite you. Take an imaginary flight with a giant eagle and look at your world through new eyes. Allow the river of life to take you to an ocean of possibilities. Find yourself and your purpose in a state of fluidity. Or choose to board an imaginary time machine and travel thousands of years into the future. There, your perspective on life will alter. Live your life intensely and brightly, as if you're packing 1,000 years of happiness into one lifetime. Imagine your growth, your development, and your ability to overcome difficulties. Become the creator of your future.